All right, Alex. So here's an example of what I came up with. Um, Basically, I just took uh, a list put out by ESPN, and it kind of had their their team, their body weight positioning, their overall, and then they didn't have the projected values for this year that the this is the auction. That's the auction value. So they didn't have this projected stat in there with it, so I had to go get this from our league, which doesn't make much sense, sorta, but just watch the method, right? So, defensive kickers are a little difficult. I can try to do this with them too, but some of these guys were on the list. Some of these guys have zeros, like Deshaun Still's a zero, but I took the quarterbacks, brought them over here, put them here. This is just the same thing. I just didn't want to type in the titles again. So I just looked at what is Patrick Mahomes 439 points is going to cost you 18 production, and I made an assumption that since Ben Roethlisberger is the 10th best quarterback, you would not want him. So his value to you is 0. So then it's made a graph. It's right here's the first one, and then here's the second one, but this one's kind of based off this, but this one gives us like maybe the true value of the quarterback, and it's right here. And then this formula, it doesn't mean anything, like it doesn't explain anything except the strength of the deal you're getting. So like right at the way, because the way we did it, Mahomes is like perfectly valued, and we can change that if you wanted. But Mahomes, if we assume Patrick Mahomes is perfectly valued, and we assume Ben Roethlisberger means nothing, because once again, if you sort them by their projected, he's the 10th best projected that I have so far. So you'll see that we just go to the deal, sort it in reverse order, whatever. So the best deal, because you kind of ignore this. So because it has no values. So if you look at this, Kyler Murray should get you the best deal in the draft, because he's worth, like, they've got the auction at price at $2. But if, again, solid point, if Patrick Mahomes is fairly priced at 18, Mahomes is worth $12.31. So like that would be kind of like something you put in your head. See, I've got Tom Brady at 11, Lamar at 9, Russell at 8.48. Got Dak valued at $12.35. You're still getting deals on all these guys except anything over 1. So like Baker, Matt, Ben Roethlisberger, according to this, are wasted. They would be gouging you if they try to charge you $3 and $6. They're only worth $1.19 and $1.18 each. All right, let me know if that's kind of like what you're looking for. That's kind of like, that makes sense, because I can put together a whole list